You hear that? What? That bush is crying.
I'm not a bush. Have you heard of the word alien?
Why were you crying?
I really want to go home. My spaceship crashed. It may not fly, but I'm allowed to use the homing beacon. And they'll come and pick me up.
Let's go to your ship then.
Let's just go and get this over with.
Actually, it's this way. I come from another world, far beyond the stars. Why are you all so grumpy?
I like it. What? No, I don't. You like it. Who said that? What?
They're coming this way!
Yeah, that's very disconcerting.